Hello viewers, today, I will show how to solve the iPhone 6's power flex problem. Let's watch in detail after the intro. At first, we are checking whether is it working or not. As you power flex is not working, volume up down button not working. In this status, let's disassemble the mobile as you see on the screen. Unbind the screws. Apart the display part. Unbind the screws. Unbind the other screws and wires. I'm deassembling part by part, and our mission is to fix power flex. I'm setting new power flex to solve the problem. Now I'm fixing volume up and down button. Let's fix up part by part as you see on the screen. In the final stage to fit the both part together, let's check the button status. After the checking full and finally fit the mobile. Again, check the buttons after fitting the mobile whether is it working or not. So, it's working as you see on the screen. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and share with others.